Hello everyone, it's Dream Trades here back with you again, and today we are looking at another altcoin, which is Dogecoin, and we are at the 1 week time frame on Binance. Okay, now let's look at the chart. First, let's have a look at the RSI. You see that the RSI right now is in the oversold territory, and well, let's have a look. We've never been that low before in the all Dogecoin history. So if you think and if you believe in the Dogecoin, that's number one point showing that it may be a good time to start accumulating it. Let's go ahead and check this in stream trades indicator. You see when this line crossed the 0 point line, it was a good signal that there may be a drawdown. That's what actually happened. Oh, by the way, here was a descending triangle that broke down. Let's measure that movement. Here is a descending triangle. Let's measure the potential target. Well, it's almost there. That's the potential target of the descending triangle. Let's mark it on the chart. And also notice how this area complies with this area, with this low. So we may still have some movement down here, and that will be another time when you may consider adding more into your Dogecoin if you're holding it and if you believe in it. Okay, now let's go ahead. How about stochastic RSI? Well, it's down here. What else I'm going to show you? You remember in the previous video, I showed you the parallel channel on Shiba coin. Now let's do the same here. Here is this parallel channel that I've created. And you see that here's one touch point, two, there's another one, here's another one. There are a couple of free tests. Then here, and here again. So this channel is pretty good. And also notice how the middle line, how the price reacts to the middle line. So to forecast the probable future targets, let's move it here and let's move another one here. We don't need that one. So what you can see, the price will probably react somehow in these levels. So I would suppose that there will be some reaction here. Really hope that the Dogecoin will finally go up. Also, let's have a look at this EMA. If you notice, that's a 200 EMA. And let's watch the history. What you can see here, every time when the price went below this 200 EMA, it was a great time to buy Dogecoin. And we are below it now. So that's another signal showing that it's a good time for accumulation. What else I'm going to show you? Let's take the volume. This is the fixed volume profile, and we will check the area of strong volume. Here's one. Well, that's the reason why we bounced from here, because there is a strong volume that been traded here. That's why when the price came here, those who bought Dogecoin here, they defended their position and they even bought more. That's why we had a bounce. Will it go lower? Who knows? Actually, nobody knows. You never know the market. So if you will hear someone saying, well, I know where the price will go, don't trust in that. Nobody knows. If it will fall lower, then here's another cluster of volume being traded here. But let's go ahead and do something else. Here is one of my favorite tools, Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, from the swing low to the swing high. And bam, check this out. Exactly at 0382 level, that's where the price bounced. That's a strong area. And like I show you, here's another strong area. If the price will go lower. And guys, I hope that you enjoyed this short video. Uh, If you really did, then don't forget to hit the like button. It really motivates me for making more and more videos and to do daily updates on different coins and altcoins. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and the most important thing, guys, have a safe and profitable trading. Remember about the stop loss, remember about risk management. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye bye.